The Honda Civic Type R is one of the biggest and most important nameplates in the modern hot hatch market. The beloved Japanese icon has a huge reputation to live up to, and this new model seems promising.
This is the new FL5 generation, and Honda's had a bit of an easy job improving this new model over the old one. The old car was praised for being almost perfect in the way it drove, both dynamically on track and comfortably on street. Really, the only thing Honda had to fix was the controversial styling. Some people loved it, but others hated it, and this new car is the perfect middle ground, looking less like it was styled by a teenager who's only just discovered Japanese sports cars, and more like a sensible but aggressive addition to the road car it's based on. Compared to the previous gen car though, the biggest practical design change is that it's longer, which from a front three-quarter view can almost make it look like it's the new Accord. Regardless though, Honda have listened, and everything controversial about the design of the previous car is gone now. There are no fake vents. Everything at the front of the car here is actually functional aero. It's a very clean design. Still, everything is different from the base model Civic. Every single body panel, with the exception of these front two doors, is different from the normal Civic. The philosophy of the recent modern Type Rs is that you don't necessarily need to have all or rear wheel drive to be fast and to have fun. This engine now produces a bumped up 315 horsepower, 235 kilowatts and 420 newton meters, which I can totally feel driving at 3 kilometers an hour around our property. It has a very nice feeling 6-speed manual transmission, and 0 to 100 depends entirely on how good of a driver you are, just how real sports cars should be. This car has the upgraded interior package, which means everything is Alcantara. Seats, center console trims, door cards, the steering wheel. The detailing guys are going to use a lot of Gyeon fabric coat protecting this interior space. The driving position is excellent, the seats are some of the best I've sat in, and the longer body I mentioned before means plenty of passenger and cargo room. Finished in the iconic championship white paint colour, this FL5 Civic Type R is at MADinc for our new Car Pro package, which includes all of the proper washing, decontamination, paint correction, and other preparation processes before a 2-layer Gyeon Infinite ceramic paint coating, Gyeon View ceramic glass coating, and full Gyeon interior protection package, which includes the Gyeon leather shield and fabric coating wherever applicable. Tinting is normally included in the new Car Pro package, but this car's arrived to us already tinted, so we don't need to worry about that. It's also here for our full front paint protection film package, which uses XPEL's self-healing Ultimate Fusion PPF to protect the front bumper, bonnet, headlights, fenders and mirrors from scratches, stone chips and other similar damage.
It's a car that flies under the radar a little bit, and many won't fully recognise or understand what it is without having an appreciation for the refinement and attention to detail that Honda has put into perfecting it. The owner sold their G80 BMW M3 to get this car, so if that's not a testament to the new Type R, I'm not sure what is. Thanks for watching.